In the heart of our planet, shrouded in mystery and teeming with life, lies the Amazon jungle. Imagine a world within our world, a place where time stands still and nature rules supreme. This is the Amazon jungle, a sprawling mass of green that spans 9 countries and holds countless secrets within its depths. It's a place where the air is thick with the scent of damp earth and the sounds of life echo from every corner. This is a land of extremes where the world's largest river carves its way through the densest forest on Earth, and where the most diverse collection of life on our planet calls home. The Amazon is a world of its own, a microcosm of our planet's biodiversity. Here, you'll find over 40,000 species of plants, 2.5 million insect species, and more than 2,000 types of birds and mammals. It's a riot of life, a cacophony of color and sound that drowns out the silence of the outside world. But the Amazon is more than just a treasure trove of life. It's a place of mystery and intrigue, where every tree, every leaf, every creature has a story to tell. It's a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and the mundane transforms into the magical. Today we're embarking on a journey unlike any other. We're going to take you on a voyage through this remarkable ecosystem, using the latest drone technology to capture the Amazon in all its wild and raw beauty. We'll fly over towering canopies, skim across shimmering rivers, and delve into the heart of the jungle, uncovering the secrets that lie within. This isn't just a journey of discovery. It's an opportunity to see the world from a new perspective, to understand the intricate balance of life and the delicate harmony that exists in nature. So as we prepare to delve deeper into this jungle, remember, this is a world where the unexpected is the norm, where the unseen becomes the seen, and the unheard becomes the heard. It's a place where the unimaginable becomes reality. As we delve deeper into this jungle, prepare yourself to witness the unseen, the unheard, and the unimaginable. Imagine soaring above a sea of green, an endless canopy stretching as far as the eye can see. This is the Amazon, a world within itself, a place where life thrives in every nook and cranny, every leaf and branch. Here, the canopy, a vibrant tapestry of foliage, forms the roof of the Amazon, a living ceiling that breathes life into the world below. The canopy is a symphony of green, a palette of shades from lime to emerald, each telling a different story of life and growth. The sunlight filters through the leaves, casting a dappled light show that dances and flickers, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of shadows and highlights. But the canopy is more than just a visual feast. It's a bustling metropolis of nature, a thriving ecosystem that plays host to a myriad of species, each carving out their niche in this teeming city of leaves. From the stealthy jaguar who prowls on the branches, to the vibrant macaws that paint the sky with their rainbow hues, the canopy is a dynamic stage where the drama of life plays out in all its glory. Yet the canopy's role extends beyond providing a home to countless creatures. It serves as a shield, protecting the inhabitants of the jungle from the harshness of the elements. It's a natural umbrella, a layer of protection against the relentless tropical sun and the torrential downpours. The canopy also plays a crucial role in the global climate. It acts as the lungs of the planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen, helping to keep our atmosphere balanced and our world habitable. The canopy, a bustling city of nature, is but the surface of this intricate world. Beneath it lies an even more complex universe, a world filled with secrets waiting to be uncovered, a place where every layer, every leaf, every creature plays a role in the grand scheme of life. So as we continue our journey, let's delve deeper into this fascinating world beneath the canopy, into the heart of the Amazon. Descend beneath the canopy, into the Understory Layer, a world dimly lit and teeming with life. The Understory Layer of the Amazon rainforest is a realm of shadows, a twilight zone sandwiched between the sunlit canopy above and the jungle floor below. This is a world draped in a perpetual state of dusk, where the sun's rays rarely penetrate. Yet despite the dim light, the understory is far from lifeless. In fact, it teems with an array of species, each one perfectly adapted to survive in this unique environment. This is the land of the unseen, where countless creatures make their home. Insects, spiders, and other small animals scuttle across the moist, rotting leaves, while snakes slither and birds flit through the dense foliage. The understory is also home to a variety of mammals, such as the elusive jaguar, the playful capuchin monkey, and the slow-moving sloth, each one a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly with their surroundings. The flora here too has adapted to the dim light. Plants in the understory have larger, darker leaves to absorb as much sunlight as possible. Some, like the philodendron, have even evolved to climb the tall trees, reaching towards the canopy in a desperate bid for sunlight. One of the most fascinating adaptations in the understory is the communication between species. With limited visibility, animals rely on other senses. Many birds and insects communicate through unique and complex songs, while others, like the poison dart frog, use bright colors to signal danger to potential predators. The understory layer is also a hotbed for symbiotic relationships. For instance, ants and certain types of fungi have a mutualistic bond. The ants cultivate the fungi for food, and in return, the fungi get a safe and nurturing environment to grow. In the understory's dim light, life thrives in unique ways, a testament to nature's resilience and ingenuity. In this shadowy world, life does not just survive, it flourishes, showcasing the Amazon's incredible biodiversity and reminding us of the wonders and mysteries that can be found in the heart of nature. Finally, we reach the jungle floor, the ground level of this multi-tiered universe. Here, the air is thick with the scent of damp earth and rotting vegetation. Beneath our feet there is a world teeming with life, a universe within a universe, where every fallen leaf and decaying log plays a crucial role in the circle of life. Under the dense canopy of the Amazon, the jungle floor is a vibrant and bustling stage for the drama of survival. It's a world of decomposing leaves, rotting wood, and organic matter. This layer, often unseen, is the beating heart of the jungle, the engine that drives the nutrient cycle. Through the process of decomposition, nutrients are returned to the soil, fueling growth and life throughout the jungle. This nutrient-rich layer is home to countless insects, each playing their part in the intricate process of decomposition. From the industrious leafcutter ants, who work tirelessly, cutting and carrying leaves to their underground colonies, to beetles and centipedes, who scavenge the forest floor for nourishment. The jungle floor is also a hunting ground for reptiles. Camouflaged amidst the leaf litter, snakes lie in ambush, patiently waiting for their prey. The powerful jaguar, too, stalks these shadowed pathways, its rosetted coat blending seamlessly into the dappled sunlight that filters through the canopy above. And then, there are the mammals, from the tiny mouse deer that tiptoe through the undergrowth, to the mighty tapir, who forages for fallen fruit and leaves. Each creature, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the complex web of life that is the Amazon jungle. The jungle floor, often unseen, is the foundation of this diverse ecosystem, playing an essential role in sustaining life above. It's a testament to the intricate balance of nature, a world within a world where every creature, every leaf, every grain of soil plays a part in the symphony of life that is the Amazon. As our journey through the Amazon jungle comes to an end, we are left in awe of its intricate beauty and diversity. We began our adventure high above the towering trees, where the canopy cover stretches as far as the eye can see. This green blanket, a bustling metropolis of life, serves as a home to countless creatures, some of which remain undiscovered to this day. From colorful parrots and elusive monkeys to the world's largest butterflies, the canopy layer of the Amazon jungle is a testament to the diversity of life on our planet. Descending through the understory layer, we entered a world of shadows, where sunlight rarely penetrates. Here we encountered the stealthy hunters and the camouflaged prey. The understory, often overlooked, plays a crucial role in the jungle's ecosystem, providing shelter and nourishment to numerous species. Our journey took us further down, to the jungle floor, a place where life and death dance in a delicate balance. Amidst the decomposing leaves and fallen branches, new life sprouts, continuing the cycle of life that has been ongoing for millions of years. The Amazon jungle is not just a collection of trees and animals. It's a complex, interwoven tapestry of life where each thread plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the entire system. It is the lungs of our planet, absorbing billions of tons of carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen in return. It's a treasure trove of medicinal plants, many of which are yet to be discovered. And it's a source of life-sustaining rainfall, not just for South America but for regions as far away as the United States. But this magnificent jungle is under threat. Deforestation, climate change, and illegal activities are destroying this precious ecosystem at an alarming rate. The need to preserve the Amazon jungle has never been more urgent. The Amazon, a world within our world, stands as a reminder of nature's power, beauty, and fragility. It's a world worth exploring.